Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Box. So today I will show you how to enable SBI credit card domestic and international usage, and here I show the steps by using the SBI credit card mobile app. So if your mobile does not have this app, first of all get it from your Google Play Store. So once you install this application, just click to open it and it asks for the login process. So you can log in this mobile app by using with the 4-digit MPIN as well as your login password. At same time, if you are a new user, first of all register this mobile app by simply verify your bank account link to mobile number. So anyway, once you verify it and then try to log in this mobile app. So now my dashboard is ready to use. So here it shows me all credit card related informations like current outstanding, unbilled outstanding, available credit, reward points and etc. But this is not a matter. At same time, in this section, in top of left side, it has the one horizontal lines icon. So just press on it and it shows lots of options. But you can go to manage card usage. So if you want to enable your domestic transactions, just press this section and then tick to turn on following categories: online transactions, point of sales transactions and ATM transactions. But don't use these contactless transactions because nowadays this is not a safe one. So once you customize this section, and don't forget to save these changes and then go back to the one step. So next I try to access international transactions. So same way you can customize this category, and if you want to change your spend limit, just press this plus icon and then increase or decrease your monthly spend limit, and this is for your choice. So anyway, overall I explained about domestic and international transactions from this SBI credit card mobile app. So if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Data Box, and thanks for watching.